Hi guys. So as of the moment, I'm decluttering my clothes. You can see that the drawers are an absolute mess right now. Like literally, I have this basket filled with clothes that I yet have to fold up. Y'all, my room is literally filled with heaps of clothes and it's so overwhelming to take a look at my floor because it's just clothes everywhere. Because never enough. Just towards the end. We just got back home, you guys. And earbuds. Let's set aside the strap and the AirPods first. Let's unbox my new toy. In terms of the details about the product, we decided to opt for the Series 8 41mm because my wrist is pretty small. Okay.
I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. I'm super shy, but wait a minute while I make you mine, 떨리는 지금도 you're on my mind all the time. I wanna tell you, but I'm super shy. And I wanna go out with you. Where you wanna go? Find a spot, just sit and talk, looking pretty.
Okay, while this is syncing, let's open the AirPods.
Follow me. 우리 둘이 나란히 우리 내 눈이 갑자기 빛나지. When you say I'm a dream.
touched any of these in my life before. You guys, it's finally done. Yay! Oh, that's so pretty. I heard that you can change watch faces. How do you do that on your phone? Hello? Oh, that's so pretty. Is this correct? Hey guys. Okay, so I also wanted to show you the other strap, which is this one. I actually asked the ate there which one she liked the most, and she said it was this one, so as per usual, you have the manual, then the actual band itself. I like how it comes with 2 sizes. Let's try the, what is this, elderly purple? Okay. I think it looks pretty cool. Today, it's literally like 2 days later after the clips that you just saw, but I'm going to be getting a haircut today because it's so grown out. The layers, I cut them myself, but I'm not liking them. So we're gonna get that fixed today. So I'm gonna walk you through it. Come with me. Let's go.